Markerstudy, since 2001, is a leading provider of insurance services, providing customers with home, motor, commercial and pet insurance. Markerstudy has a mature insurance platform that has policy and information from customers on it. It's over 30 years old, written on an I-series, supporting about 2 million customers. The I-series is very capable. We need to look at, is it fit for the next generation of insurance? What happens when LLMs start interacting, become a new customer? So we need to look at how we can modernise in situ and also expand the capabilities. The IBM platform we have has 30 years of business capabilities that are built up that are perfect for our business. Replacing that with any new solution would require us to rebuild those business capabilities that have been built for our system. So by modernising in situ, it means we actually get the best of both worlds. So we're working with Ensono to look at, can we do an MOT on that platform, review the code, review what the good parts, the bad parts, and how we can modernise the system.
Ensono is a technology service provider who helps enterprise modernise and manage complex IT estates. We specialise in legacy, cloud, data and AI capabilities to help drive business transformation. We heavily utilised AI, including IBM Bob, to get a deep level of understanding of what that application did today. Looking at it from different aspects such as like technical debt, identifying complexity hotspots within the code, but also being able to understand how the certain domains in the application, how it could be split up. So we found IBM Bob an easy tool to use for the assessment. It had a familiar look and feel to other tools on the market. And when I compare Bob to other AI coding assistants available on the market, we found really the depth that you could actually get to with the code base. In this particular example, we were looking at an RPG code base, 6 million lines of code. That allowed us to go very deep and understand like key complexities and like key technical debt areas, which was prohibiting like maintenance and the speed of change. We found that Bob really gave us like confidence, speed and accuracy. This enabled us to really build up that sort of like fact-based, evidence-based assessment of this. So we were not moving forward with recommendations based on assumptions or without any substance behind it. Bob gave us the confidence to move forward with our recommendations. We believe we'll be able to accelerate productivity and reduce risk by 25 to 50% over what it is today by introducing Bob and with AI engineering capabilities.
That's been an amazing engagement. 6 million lines of code is not something we could have ever done internally. And previously working with other providers that would have taken months. With the latest, we're working with Ensono, the latest tools from IBM, I've been able to shorten that down to a month engagement. The outputs now enable us to build those foundations of this insurance platform of the future.